Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is a little bit different, and if you saw the intro, you'll know that I'm not in my backyard, which is where I usually film all my videos. I'm actually on a 20-kilometer hike with some friends, and we're about 7 kilometers in. I'm fairly confident that my backpack's open right now, so my camera might fall out, but it's all good vibes here, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of our hike, because I will tell you, this is a really nice change of pace from working all the time, doing school assignments, and not seeing anyone. So forgive my socially awkwardness in the video. It's been too long since I've seen anyone. Enjoy.
It's not too steep.
It's not terrible.
Yeah.
Was that good?
Caution. Use
Amazing. Best thing I've ever done. No. It looks worse than it is. I have to deal with one in my life. I don't need more of that shit.
No! They're supposed to be together in the movie.
That's disgusting.
Colonel's coming out in the movie, and I can't wait to watch it.
What? Just gives up and walks I have no grip left on me. Get it on video. Insurance claim.
Insurance.
It wasn't me.
Nature.
Oh, very good.
Oh my god, this is that day we've seen stuff on this hike.
Actually, this stuff looks really exotic.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It is very exotic.
It looks like a Fallout type of shit.
Yes. It looks like insulation foam. Don't touch it.
It does look.
I need content.
Yo guys, you will not believe what I just found in the Suicide Forest.
What?
That gives me PTSD from Logan Paul.
I'm so much better than Logan Paul.
We ain't gonna find nobody hanging from a tree. Yeah.
We better not.
Let's practice questioning the site.
Yo, this is garbage!
Yeah, but like,
It would be kind of mint if I could throw up my Cliff Bar wrapper.
girl, I don't even
We're checking this out. This is too cool to pass up.
What is this?
Look at this.
It's like a chain noose.
That's so creepy.
That is creepy.
You know randonauting? What if this is like a low? You can put your head through there. Do not put your head through there.
Yeah, do not put your head there. Where do they make maple syrups?
There's picnic tables. Oh, I lied. There's more picnic tables. Somebody's gonna come with an axe and chop all of us.
Hey,
This is how I die.
I don't need to escape the man with the axe. I just need to run faster than Miliana.
What? What'd you say? Ew, look at his neck. It's all like, yeah. Like,
Look at how many chins he's got.
it looks moldy.
It looks like Donald Trump's skin.
That's a scarf.
Wait,
That's a scarf.
See?
Yo, what the f***'s in here? This is dope. There's a whole ass wheelbarrow. Who wants to get in?
Oh no. Thumbnail. We found what in the forest?
Donald Trump's skin neck. You're gonna get tetanus like Miss Handemeyer. Don't
Spider.
even.
No.
Man, you're gonna get
Man.
tetanus.
And this? What?
Tetanus.
Tetanus.
Look how
What
rusty it
happens when
is.
you...
Oh! If there's a thumbnail, I will take this opportunity. I feel like the Riverdale cast.
Let's go.
We've just hopped.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. And we're off. Watch out.
Oh! He has like no spine, man.
He's got no suspension, buddy.
What is that? Oh, is that like a torch thing?
Yeah.
It is a
Tiki
torch.
torch.
Lord forgive me for this zoom.
I'm Lorax. I speak for the trees.
Man, they definitely think we're crazy.
No, that's oh,
Yeah, it's an actual shoe.
that's an actual shoe.
An actual shoe.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's spooky.
Are we allowed to go?
Me looking like deadpan on this boots.
I wouldn't advise.
going in the water with your shoes on.
So cool.
I got my first.
Man, those are not waterproof
those
shoes.
Are not. You'll
Here.
step and then there'll be like water squirting out the side.
Man, they're
Take
literally
off
gonna be
my
soggy
shoes
for the rest of the
and then-
hike.
There's a lot of algae in
Yeah, there is.
You know
a lot
what?
of
Go
energy.
for it, man. Make your own decisions.
Take a
You live your
swim.
best life.
Actually, it looks so beautiful there. It looks so dirty here.
Yeah. I like it.
Actually, those waters are probably dirty. So
Are you,
tired.
are you gonna go in the water or no?
I'm too.
There's a
Sorry.
fly out.
Whoa.
Wait, is this YouTube?
Whoa.
Sorry. Wait, cut that. Cut
Oh,
that. Cut
oh.
that. Back to it. Back to it.
Cut that out.
Back
Bruh. Whoa.
Thank you.